Hello, good afternoon, Cutie Quilters. I just want to make this really quick video for all the new Cutie Quilters. I have a small quilt on my Cutie Frame. I just want to show you how we put it on. So, you lay it over the bars, the top and the back bar, and then you take your smooth top clips. They have the Cutie logo has to be facing us, and you just clip it on the top. Cutie logo facing. You clip them on one at a time. And it's super easy. Now, we have these little elastic bungee cords, and you just clip your cutie things on. Then, whatever you have in the back, okay, you just bring it forward over the top, and what I do is I roll it. Typically it'll be part of your quilt or your leader cloth. These are leader cloths on my little one. So I take my little bungee cord and I bring it over the top with the hook, and I hook it into the clips, and I take my tails and I tuck them in. Okay, super easy, right? It really is. Doesn't get much easier than that. And we tuck our tails. Okay. We don't want to sew those into the quilt. So we just bring this forward, rolling it up. Take our bungee cord and hook it and tuck it. Okay, there, that's out of the way. Now, the bottom. I have over the top, I have the G2 over the top handles, but it comes, the Cutie comes with handles that go below. So you typically have to roll this up. So to do that, what I do is, I see how tight this is, I put a little slack in. I just press it down a little bit. Okay, then I take my rigidity clips, the long rigidity clips, with the logo facing me, and I press that down. There. And that gives the tension that we need. Now, if you want, you can put side clips on. I don't. But you can. Okay? So that's how you put your Cutie quilt. This is a basted quilt sandwich. For hoop frames, we use a basted quilt sandwich. I happen to baste with a micro stitch basting gun, but you can thread baste, you can pin baste, you can do all that. If you want to pin baste, you have to be careful because you got to take the pins out as you go. It gets in the way. You can sew over these micro stitch tabs, no problem. Doesn't hurt a thing. Thread basting, you can sew over. So however you want to baste, that's what you got to do. Okay, I hope this helps. Good luck on your Cutie quilting, and can't wait to see what you're working on. Thanks for watching the Closet Quilter.